Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the content library, and within the content library how you can bulk upload your own content or use the bulk upload features. So from here you actually can bulk upload your own, let's say you purchased images from another source, or you've taken your own images. Basically you can just from anywhere on your computer you can open up a folder. So what I'll do is I'll take some of these real estate that I have. Let's see. We'll just select all 10. And I will drag them in here. And then I have this advanced feature, so I could mark them as to be recyclable if they require approval, or I can add the watermark. And I'm going to actually add the watermark, and I'm going to tag them. I am going to create a new category. I'm actually in one, but I'm going to change this real quick. Date. All right, you'll see that now that is named real estate, so it is going to toggle to that real estate. And I can actually select what all accounts that it will post to natively. You can always change this on the fly. So I'm actually going to deselect all of the accounts. You'll see that they just went off. All right, and then if I hit upload files, it will show you that it is pulling those real estate files in. And those, again, are images that I have. So if I have done uploading, now you can see that they're in there and ready. Whoops. Let's see. One thing, you'll see that they're color-coded here, so that just as a glance, when they're mixed in with everything else, at a glance you'll know what they are. Or you can sort just to see those. And then from here you can edit them just like the rest of them. You can pop up and see, and you can see that the logo did get branded on there. So you can actually edit this to add the captions, because when they're just the image coming in, they will not have the caption. The next step to this, if we go back to the content library and this gear, let's unsort this. You can upload a CSV. And with that CSV, you can actually, basically the same thing. We'll go ahead and do the toggle. So I'm not going to add the watermark on this one, because I want to set up a non-branded folder. So if I needed something that didn't have the brand on it, but this is going to be March, and I'm saying no logo. So this is the March content with no logo. And I'm going to navigate to my computer. And I have this in a folder. It's already formatted. Here's the formatting for this. So if you have your own, you'd be able to download that file from right here, or you'd also be able to get it from the members area where you can download the planner. So I'm going to drag this in. And then again, I'm not adding the watermark on this one. You just saw that it works well, but I'm not going to add it because I want to do another video where I show you how you can add the logo on the fly. So basically that said, I hit upload, and it's doing its thing in the background. It will show up here in just a moment after it has imported all of them. There are 93 of them, so it takes a few minutes to process that. While we're waiting on that, I'll show you the other option, import recent posts. So what this does is you can select a social media account. So if I wanted to pull from my, let's see, Socially Inclined Facebook page over the last month, 6 months, 3 months, published by any of the other dashboards, but I always leave that to any. Toggle advance, so you can import only engaging content if you wanted to. So, and the system deems that by comments and likes. Then you can add a tag. So if it was, so I would actually tag this so that it would get all mixed in. I would basically say, look, I'm just going to do SI for right now. And I'm going to do in the last month, and I'm going to do import. And it says we're importing your posts. Got it. And in a few moments, There's a couple of posts in there, but so this will get added to it. So these were already in. If we click, it's going to refresh the page. One of the imports is complete. And it is now showing you all of the content that's been posted in the last month. Now, there is one huge caveat to this. Facebook only allows us to pull a very small thumbnail. So you will see how very small these are. If this is your content, this is a quick way to just pull the content in, and then you would have to replace the image, but at least you get the post. But due to Facebook's regulations, basically, they're not going to let us scrape information from Facebook. But it is a little help if, to kind of save you time to pull things over. And then you can just basically, to change the image, you'd edit. And then we're going to add a new image, and you're going to find it on your computer, basically. You're going to go look and see where you might have that image and then pop it in and then take that one out. And you can actually hit your watermark to watermark it as it was coming in. But basically, so when the other one gets finished, it will light up that alert as well. And you would be able to click it and it would refresh the page. And then you'd be able to see the content that is in the March No Logo as well. So, and actually, here it is. And you'll see that there is no logo in for these. So, it worked. And last, we'll go back. So that's the top 3. And then there is another video on the bulk operations and how that works. So be sure to look for that bulk operations video. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks very much for watching.